Drum Course by J.E.
Blessed day guys, welcome to online drum course by Coach J.E. Today's lesson is single paradiddle fills. So meron tayong 2 bars na groove fill-ins, yung pang third bar. Okay? So gawin natin yung groove muna. 8 note pa rin yung hi-hat natin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay? Then yung kick nasa 1 and 3 siya, quarter note pa rin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nasa 1 and 3 yung kick. Then yung snare, nasa 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ganun siya. So gawin natin yung 8 note with kick and hi-hat. 8 note na hi-hat with kick and snare. So yung number 1 natin, sabay, kick and hi-hat, 1 and. Okay? 1 and. Then 2, snare, 2, sabay, and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, ganun lang siya. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Ganun yung group natin. Tapos yung sa third bar, merong yung 1 and 2 groove. Tapos yung 3 and 4, ayun na yung single paradiddle natin. So, gawin natin yung pang third bar, ha. So, 1 and 2 and then single paradiddle. Snare muna tayo. Right, left, right, right. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tom 1, left, right, left, left. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, left. So, gawin natin yung pang third bar lang. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yan, ganun siya. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yan. So, try natin sa umpisa. So, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Second bar. 2 and 3 and 4 and third bar. 1 and 2 and single paradiddle. 1 and. Yan, ganun siya.